Welcome to live trade video for the day. So today I traded on MGL. I'll be showing you how I traded, where I took the entry and where I took the exit. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So right now I'm buying MGL in the market level around 1166 to 1167 level. So I just bought it in the market level now. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So guys, I'm taking this trade based on my study and the strategy. So I guess that this stock has a potential to go up and it is in the range where the buyers should come. So let's see how the stock will perform today. And also the first candle looked as a bit of a red candle, but you can see here the volume has been pushed towards the buyer side itself, and here we are trying to get the movement towards the buyer side itself. So my exit will be somewhere around 1172 or 1171, like by booking 5 to 6 points. So let's see how the stock will perform today. And also guys, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique trading course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join us, you'll be getting all the skills to be a consistent profitable trader. And also once you join us, I'll be guiding you even in live market about how to trade and what trade to take and everything. I'll be guiding you personally. Okay, and also you can just go inside my channel and watch more than 3 years plus of daily live trade videos and also a lot of educational videos. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today and I'll be guiding you all the skill set what is required for you to make consistent profit. And also, as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators. So yes, we don't use any indicators. So these are very straightforward and unique strategies what I'll be guiding you. And yes, as you guys can see now, the stock has now made a high of 1170.65. So bought it around 1166, somewhere around there. So we're almost up by 4 to 5 points if you guys can see here. So I'll just take the exit once it crosses 1171 or 1172. Okay, so that will be my target. And also at the end of the day, I'll show you how much the stock as moved today according to our levels. But also we have to follow discipline in intraday trading, which is very important. So that's why I always follow my discipline. Even if the stock goes 10% up also, I just keep my target and stop loss and I exit from there. Okay, so you should always have to follow your discipline in intraday trading. So guys, as you guys can see here, 1171 now, 1172 now. So yes, my target has been hit here. I'll just take the exit. So just keeping the buffer point so that when I do the market exit, it will take the proper exit at the level where I wanted to get. So I'll just take the exit now and I'll update you about the trade. Okay, so 1172.30 is a new high what it has made and it's trying to go up also. So if it goes further up, I'll just update you till where the stock will perform today. And right now it is at 1172. I'll just take the exit now and I'll update you about the trade. And this is the trade what we have taken today on MGL. So even though the market is not being much bullish, but our stock has moved in a good bullish way, as you guys can see here. Okay, so yes, 1172 now. I'll just take the exit. So guys, as you guys can see here, the stock has been very bullish today. So even the market was not much of a bullish. Even now, if you see, the market is up by only 0.10% up, but our stock has performed very well. So yes, it has gone a lot of in upper side, but by following my discipline, I've taken the exit of almost 6 points. So this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of MGL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.